Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Acura TLX versus WRX. The Acura TLX typically offers a more luxurious and comfortable ride, often with a powerful V6 engine option providing smooth acceleration. In contrast, the Subaru WRX is known for its turbocharged four-cylinder engine and standard all-wheel drive, delivering a more aggressive and engaging driving experience. Your preference for refinement versus raw power will largely determine which car suits you best. When it comes to handling, the TLX provides a composed and quiet cabin, ideal for daily commutes and long trips, often featuring premium materials and advanced infotainment. The WRX, however, is built for spirited driving, offering a stiffer suspension and more direct steering feedback, making it exciting on winding roads. Its interior is more driver-focused, prioritizing functionality over luxury, with supportive sport seats. Considering practicality, the TLX generally offers better fuel economy, especially with its base engine, and a more spacious, comfortable rear seat for passengers. The WRX, while still practical, often has lower fuel efficiency due to its performance-oriented engine and a slightly less refined ride for daily errands. Both cars offer decent trunk space, but their overall cost of ownership, including insurance and maintenance, can differ. Ultimately, if you prioritize a sophisticated driving experience, a luxurious interior, and advanced safety features for a comfortable daily commute, the Acura TLX is likely the better choice. But if you crave exhilarating performance, precise handling, and the confidence of all-wheel drive for an engaging drive, the Subaru WRX will be more appealing. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.